In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci Retracement in the TradingView app. This powerful tool can help you analyze potential levels of support and resistance in the market, and it's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you know exactly how to utilize this feature to its fullest potential. Let's begin by opening up the TradingView app on your device and navigate to a chart of your interest. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is locate the Drawing Tools menu. You'll usually find this icon readily available on the screen. It might look like a pencil or paintbrush, depending on the app version you're using. Tapping this icon will open up a menu of numerous drawing aids and tools. In this toolbox, look for the option labeled Fibonacci Retracement. It's one of the core tools offered by TradingView for technical analysis, specifically designed to help traders identify key levels where the market might retrace before continuing in its original direction. Now, if you're wondering why this might be important, Fibonacci levels are calculated based on a sequence of numbers that can help predict future price movements based on historical data. Once you've selected the Fibonacci Retracement tool, the next step is to actually apply it to your chart. You do this by clicking or tapping on the specific starting point, known as the swing low, and then dragging it to the endpoint known as the swing high. The swing low represents a recent highest low point, and the swing high refers to a recent highest high point in price action. Your main goal here is to stretch the tool from the low to the high of your chosen range on the chart to effectively map out potential retracement levels. After you have drawn out the Fibonacci retracement, you might notice a series of horizontal lines appearing across the range you mapped out. These lines represent various Fibonacci levels and are crucial to your analysis. To refine your strategy, you can further adjust these levels by moving the anchors to ensure they fit your analysis precisely. TradingView also allows for customization in terms of levels and colors, so feel free to adjust these attributes according to what helps you read the chart most comfortably. Color coding different levels may help you quickly spot the key areas of support and resistance. Applying these steps will give you a visual representation of potential market turning points. Whether you're day trading or investing long-term, understanding Fibonacci retracement can be a significant advantage in your technical analysis toolkit. Keep practicing and explore how this tool adapts across different markets and time frames. Remember, every trader adjusts these tools in ways that best suit their style and strategies. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.